Food systems, a phrase we hear a lot when it comes to talking about the food we eat and how it gets onto our plate. But what does it actually mean? Simply put, a food system includes everyone and everything involved in growing, producing, preparing, supplying and consuming food. Have you ever thought about the journey your meal has taken in order to arrive on your plate? A supply chain of producers, manufacturers, processors and retailers operate locally and globally, allowing consumers to enjoy produce from their local area and from further afield. It is a vital component of our economic, environmental and social well-being. It nourishes us, provides jobs, shapes our culture and supports communities. And we are all part of it. So why is our food system broken? Current food systems have an enormous impact on our planet, accelerating climate change, driving nature loss and negatively impacting the health of our populations. And the current system is unequal. Some actors in the food system make billions, while others barely make a living. Without even knowing it, we can be consuming products that cause harm. An area almost half the size of Wales is required overseas to grow Welsh imports, including soy for livestock feed and palm oil and cocoa that are used in everyday food items. So what does a good food system look like? When done right, the elements involved work together to ensure that everyone has access to sufficient, nutritious and affordable food that's culturally appropriate and is produced with nature, not against it. In a food system that is working well, nature is thriving, producers make a good living and consumers are healthy and happy. It's not a simple problem to fix, but it can be done if we act now. Here in Wales, almost 90% of the land is used for farming. We need to produce and consume food in a way that reduces emissions, cuts food loss and waste, and restores nature both in Wales and overseas. We have an opportunity to make a real, positive change and create a food system that works hand in hand with nature, that celebrates our culture, supports our economy and truly delivers well-being for future generations. Because a sustainable food system is crucial to our nation's future.